Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then it'll know what to rank it for. So you see URL here, and I come down here to your H1 tags. And you have too many H1 tags. You have a Palmer Roofing, like 3 times. Sonoma County is #1 referred roofer, proudly serving Sonoma County, family business built on quality workmanship referrals. So let me show you where these are on your page. So they're up here, here, down here. So really, you've got too many of these. You want it to be, I would say this is a great one, Sonoma County referred roofer, because you do want your city or your county plus your service. But right now you're confusing Google because you have so many of them, and you really want to be the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And right now they're not sure if you're about Palmer Roofing, probably serving Sonoma County. Basically, you want it to be crystal clear, just one H1 tag. Then the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So if you come over here, I did a Google search for Santa Rosa Roofing, and then you'll see all these blue lines down here. These are your metadata. And you can see that the top guy here, he's talking about Sonoma County Roofing. And that's why they're in the top position. So when we pull your title page, I did a search for Palmer Roofing. You'll see your title is Palmer Roofing. So as you can see, when I Googled Palmer Roofing, you were #1 because Google thinks that's what your page is about. But obviously, nobody's going to Google Palmer Roofing when they're looking for a roofer. They're going to Google something like Sonoma County Roofing, Sonoma County Roofing Companies, or a similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. These small little changes really help you rank. Also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't ever use Google, because a lot of business owners will Google their company keyword like Sonoma County Roofing, and then you keep checking that week after week, and then slowly Google's going to start moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you want to use a third-party tool. I actually use Rank Tracker, and you can get a free subscription to this if you want for a month. But basically, it'll pull your ranking and it'll check it every single day. So I have you pulled up here with your URL, and then I add in keywords. And you can see I went ahead and put in Palmer Roofing just to show you. Again, you're #1 for that. But again, nobody's going to Google Palmer Roofing when they're looking for a roofer because they don't know to Google that. Then I saw that you're from Cotati, so I put in Cotati. You're like on page 2 for that. But again, I'm local from Sonoma, and I know Cotati is not a very big town, a very small town. So I'm guessing you want to rank for something bigger like Sonoma County Roofing. So basically, I can help you get these keywords ranked super fast once you fix your H1 and metadata based on your keywords. And then I really like your website as well. There's just a few things that I could change to make it more appealing, but more importantly, to get you ranked on the first page of Google, which could significantly increase your income because that's where 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I definitely don't go to page 2 or 3. And if you have any questions, just reply to this email, and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you success.